Chris 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. Pretty nice day. It's warming up into the low 90s today, warm and humid. You might notice that all that Gulf air is rolling back in and giving us a little bit of humidity, but there's a change on the horizon. We're pretty excited that here we are just at the beginning of fall. We're getting another frontal system this week. Right now, the front is way up here. Amarillo is in the 70s, while we're going to be, about 90 this afternoon. So nice, a little bit of a drop in temperatures by the time it gets to our area. But as the front arrives, it's probably going to give us the chance for a little bit of rain. Right now, we're getting all the Gulf air rolling back in. That's what's causing all the shower activity in the southeast coast. It really hasn't affected us yet, but just up the coast, we've seen quite a bit of rain. Now, here we are. You can see just a few little sprinkles that have come through, but from Victoria over to Houston and even to Lake Charles, they're getting quite a bit of that Gulf air producing the shower activity, and that's today, but it's on the warm side of the storm. Here we are. You've seen 2 or 3 little sprinkles roll around the area. All of this is very light, nothing to worry about. Now, the frontal system is going to be moving south tomorrow, being Wednesday, and when it arrives and runs into all this Gulf moisture, it's going to lift it up and produce a little bit of rain. What time? We'll be talking about that in a second, but the good news is this. We're finally seeing some good, cooler weather rolling into the northern part of the country, while it's still very tropical, very wet throughout much of the southeast, courtesy of the remnants of Florence. But this is good. This is good. This is going to mean that we get a couple of fronts, hopefully in the near future, moving down toward us. There are 3 systems out in the Atlantic, but Kirk right here in the south is the only one that's forecast to roll into the Lesser Antilles. Otherwise, I don't have any expectations of that coming to the continent or the mainland because of the frontal systems that are now beginning to move. We, of course, are looking for a little bit of light rain, and this is caused by the sea breeze. And here's our front. Here's our front. By the time we get to Wednesday night, it should be in our area with that band of rain, and it is expected to actually give us a north wind, and that's going to drop the temperature a little bit. So 92 today. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll see the showers moving south out of San Antonio. It should occur overnight into Thursday morning. By Thursday afternoon, I'm thinking it'll start settling down. And look at that, high temperature of 83. Around here, we're pretty excited about that. And then just isolated showers as we get into the weekend.